Alright, this problem tells us to find the perimeter of a sector whose central angle is 30 degrees with a radius 12. Let's draw a picture. Some information I have is central angle. So I'm going to draw a pizza that has a central angle. There's the center of my circle. I'll call my central angle theta. With radius 12. In this problem, they says find the perimeter of the sector. Find the perimeter of the pizza. So I'm thinking to myself, well, the end result is find the perimeter. Find the perimeter of this one pizza slice. Now, it kind of looks like a triangle, and if you think what perimeter is, it's just a distance around. So if you had, let's just call it A, B, and C, then my perimeter is going to be equal to A plus B plus C. Well, I already have two sides of the pizza. I just need to find now the crust. Well, that part is called the what? The arc length. So I need to first find the arc length, and then I can use that to find the perimeter. The arc length, let's call it S. I'm going to use our equation from today. Okay, tell me the formula for our equation. Partner B, tell partner A, which one are we not using and why? You know, which one are we not using? And why is that? Because your central angle is measured in what? In degrees. I can already suspect that if it's 360 degrees, so this is going to be 30, therefore my other factor will be 12. We said that the arc length, we'll call that S. And we said that the radius was 12. So I can just reduce here. I'm left with 1/12 equals S over 2 pi 12. We can cross multiply. I have 12S equals 2 pi times 12. I'm going to divide by 12 on both sides. Do you see the advantage of not always multiplying or simplifying? Do you see that? S is equal to 2 pi. The arc length is equal to 2 pi. That's orange, right? Well, how do we use this now? Remember, the arc length was kind of like our pizza crust. That's this part. That's 2 pi. The other part of the pizza is my radius, so each of these are 12. So the perimeter is equal to 12 plus 2 pi plus 12. Remember, treat that like a variable. Just combine like terms. Which ones are like terms? 12s, so I get 24 plus 2 pi. We don't really have a unit, so you can just write units. Remember, it's a length, so it's only to the power of 1. In this problem, it doesn't tell us to round to the nearest hundredths. If it did, then I can actually use my calculator. But this is an exact answer. That's another way of describing it. Make a picture, figure out the formula, put in your information, solve.